In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add page border in Google Docs. To do that, you first need to open your document or create a new one. I'll head over and click on blank document. Once you're in there, click onto this insert icon, then click onto this symbols or drawing, then click onto this new option. Now this drawing tool will open. Click onto this shape icon, click on shapes, and make sure to choose a rectangle with no rounded corners. Once we have done that, you just need to input right here your actual rectangle. Choose your first point, make sure to scroll down and then put it onto the far right side. So do it like that, and you can see it right here. Now don't close it yet. Click onto this fill color. Make sure that it's actually color white or better yet transparent. Now for the line, you can head over and then choose the color you want. For this case, I'll just choose black. Now click on the save and close. Here we have now our border, but as you can see, it's not yet on the very blank part. So we can click onto the shape, click onto this arrow icon right here, and then push it down until it reaches the bottom. So just continue pushing it, just like that. And as you can see, we now have a border. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.